Hi everyone. Now in this project, the next thing which we are going to do is to create a netlist. And netlist you can create from this symbol. It says generate netlist. So I'm going to click here, and then this will say PCB new default format. We don't have to worry about these or CAD PCB2, CAD star, or Spice. We are not working with these applications. We are just staying completely with Ki-CAD. So simply default format option in the PCB new tab and is sufficient, is good for us. And now we are going to click generate netlist. Now here we have to choose the location for the exported file to be somewhere inside the project directory. So I'm going to save it here. So under the directory NRF24 breakout, I will look for the netlist. So here you see NREF24 breakout.net. So I'm going to open up this file. So I'll use Notepad to open this file. Here you can see so this is how it will show. This is your netlist file, and this will represent your all the old or new components. You can see here. Now we're going to close this netlist. Now the next thing which we are going to do is to open up the PCB new. So we'll go back here, and then we will open up the PCB new. So you can either open it up from here, or you can open it up from the main screen. So there you go. Now to set up the contents of the project information box, click on the file, and then we will go to the page settings. So file, and then page setting, and then here you can write down the issue date. You can write any date. For example, I'll just take the same date maybe. And a revision, let's say this is just 1.0. And title you can write down as okay, so I think I need to reopen it. Page setup, NRF 24 breakout, and company name, let's say LW Tech, and comment project 1.0. So now here you can change the orientation to portrait if you want. We'll just keep it landscape, and then I'll click OK. Here you can see the change which we have done. LW Tech company and title is NRF 24 breakout, date is this. So this change you can do on the page setup. Now the next thing which we are going to do here is to load the netlist on the PCB new. So I'll click on the netlist here through this symbol, and then the path for the netlist is already there, but I'll click it again and show you that I selected this path, net file. Remember we created this file, So I'm going to use this and open it up, and then next I'm going to click on this update PCB. So if you click update, the changes cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to update the PCB? And I'll just say yes. The reason why it is asking, because I have already updated the PCB, and at the back you can see the circuit here. So I will just say no here, but if you update the PCB, after that you will get this footprints over here. Now my circuit is at the center of the screen. You can lay out it whatever way you want by clicking M, and for example here M, I can space, so you can move it anywhere you want. So I'm gonna keep it like this. And the other things I'm going to work on are the labels. I am going to uh, decrease the size of the label. Cancel. E. So this is 0.5 and 0.5. Press OK and OK. And then same with here, E. 0.5, 0.5. Press OK. OK. And the same change I have already done over here on the connect and this pin. I'm going to move this pin closer to here, and this pin a little bit up. Now I'm going to click at the property of this connect 018. By clicking here, you see thickness and all these stuff, and you have this option to make it visible or invisible. So I'm going to invisible this value because I don't want it on my PCB. So clicking here and OK, and this will go away. Now the next thing we have to do is to mark, provide the boundary to this. So you will do that from this add graphic lines, and then you can start drawing the lines. Now the boundary should look like this, as shown here. The box, this box basically defines how big your PCB is going to be. And one thing to notice is that you can measure the length in Ki-CAD very easily. And now to make this box, what you choose is the mill size here. You can change the mill size, and it will produce a finer these points, and it will be easier for you to draw the box. Now the next thing which we are going to do is to view this design using this tab, and then we're going to see the 3D view. Click 3D view, and then you can see how this will look like on your PCB, and you can basically rotate it. So here you can see how the design will look like.